Oh my. She said, good morning, Maddie. I need my nesting box, please. Good morning. We just woke up. So one of the things I find very important is when all the kids are helping, doing chores or whatever it is, that they just kind of, oh, let me clear you guys up. They just kind of help in the way that they want to, and we just kind of all tag team until everything is done so that it's not troublesome. It's actually fun and right? Isn't it fun?
Yep.
So we're having fun as a family, and it's not like you have to do the eggs every single day and you have to do the pigs every single day. It's something new and exciting because of their ages. Were you a wildcat last night protecting us? There's Pepper. She's our very vicious livestock guardian dog. There's Chloe. Daniel's moving the chickens. So they were here last week. You can't even tell. This week they're here. And then now, oh, stop it, stop it. Now we're taking them down that row. Puddin' and Cookie are waiting on us to milk. Hey, Puddin', was your baby up with you all night? Was she keeping you up? That's not true, is it, Cookie? All right, let's go check on Eli and Maddie. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Say good morning in your little pink clothes. What is the matter? Eli, hold on. All right, I'm gonna help you guys. So they're all fighting over feeding the pigs. I'm gonna cherish this because one day they'll be fighting over who's gonna feed the pigs, but the opposite way. No, you do it. Good morning, Templeton, Miss Vernon, Rufus. Y'all start building your houses yet?
Look, the pig.
Oh my goodness, Miss Vernon. Miss Vernon is always the one that gets bread on her back. What's the matter? Huh? Yeah, why? Yeah, everything all right. We got it handled. Mama got her muscles. Mama got her muscles. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you. Okay, what's your guess? How many eggs? Eli?
25.
Maddie, how many eggs?
9.
Go, birdies, go!
Maybe like in the 20-25 grams. Huh?
Cody, how many eggs?
20. What?
Daddy, how many eggs?
All together?
Yeah.
19.
I'm gonna say 22. What do you think, Opes? Say milk. Hopefully it's milk. All right. Cody, oh, he's close. Oh, there's more up there.
3.
How many?
3. I found 3. It's 35. But guess what? It was 35 eggs. Hey, can I tell you something?
I'm listening.
I won. Because it was 35 eggs and I was the highest rate.
Really? 35 down there?
And I said 25. So I was just 5 away.
10 away. But if you're the highest, you do win.
What's he say?
There was 35 down there.
And I said 25 and I was the highest. I said 20. And
You
that's
said
it.
40.
Mom.
That sounds awful suspicious. Because how many do you have?
Mom, can I
You have 5. Would you make 40?
What did you... What is already almost 4? I didn't think you would get this one.
Oh my. She said, good morning, Maddie. I need my nesting box, please. Can you be patient for a second, Annie?
Whenever you have a cat, you milk your cow, you put it in a bowl, and you put it on the highest rate, and see if he climbs it up, he earns it, right?
Oh, yep. He's hunting milk this morning. Made some yogurt last night. So we do the yogurt in the Instapot, and you just incubate the milk with yogurt starter or old yogurt that you, not old, but you know, that the remaining yogurt that you have already made. Between the two of those things, you keep it at 110 degrees between 8 and 12 hours, and the next day you have yogurt. So then what I will do is I'll take some oats and I will sweeten them with honey, and we will toast them in the oven. I'll fill up a mason jar of it. This is what we have left. And we sprinkle it on top, and we'll eat it for breakfasts or snacks, and it's just a good little healthy snack. Okay, so you will notice that I have my hat on. And that's just an excuse so I don't have to do my hair before I start cooking. All right, so we are going to make some mozzarella cheese. This is not a how-to because I don't know how to. I mean, this is I think this is my 3rd or 4th time making it, but I still don't know if I'm doing it right. So first we're gonna ladle off the cream so that we can make some butter. As I'm doing this, I'll go ahead and show you the other night when I made mozzarella, my first big bats of mozzarella. We got about that much of cream. So I'm going to put it on my KitchenAid with the whisk attachment. I'm going to put it down, and we're going to stir it until it turns to whipped cream, and then eventually it'll turn to butter. We'll time it and see how long it takes. While the butter is churning, I'm going to put all of my gallons of milk in here and get my rennet and my citric acid prepped and ready to go. So you can kind of see the cold line there. That's how much this pot is filled up. So let's check on our butter. Getting a little thicker. What's the matter, Graham? What's the matter, Grammy? Graham! Graham! Where you at? Graham, where you at? Alright, this is almost at the 12-minute mark. You can see it is definitely starting to change. I'm hearing something, I heard it change. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness gracious. Woo. And we have butter. Let's see. Where are we at in our time? 14 minutes and 51 seconds. All right, so that's the butter, obviously. That's the buttermilk. You can take the buttermilk and you can make buttermilk biscuits or a ton of other different things, different recipes that call for buttermilk. Or you can freeze it if you're not intending to do anything with it right this second. And we're gonna put cold water in here and rinse it until it runs clear, and then your butter is done. So you don't want any buttermilk left in there because it'll go rancid really quickly. All right, so I got 2 sticks of butter. I thought I would get 3, but I guess maybe I left some of the cream onto the milk, but that's all right. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, stick it in the freezer. Homesteaders and farmers can sometimes be so consumed in the creation, but we need to be so consumed in the Creator. All these wonderful things wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for Him. And so I think it's really important to take a step back and remember that God created all of this with purpose. And I think that when you start gardening and stuff like that, it feels so good to do that, and it feels so right to do that because that's how God made us, to get stuff from our land, for us to rely on Him more, to trust in Him more, to produce those things off of our own land. So we have to figure out a different situation on the bottom here because we have this really big funnel and a very small bowl. That's all right though. We'll just take it in little spurts.
That's hot. That's burned.
So I don't want to pour the whole thing in there, which you can with this funnel, but because of the bowl. All right. All right, we put it in a bowl that hopefully will be easier to pour out of. Our precious milk.
That was almost a half a gallon. Don't know. I'm so hungry. That on the side. So. Gallon milk? Yeah.
Gallon.
We need more gallons.
And so what I do is I label it, like if I'm gonna cook with it or drink it. So there's gonna be 11, and I'm gonna put drink on it.
And we still got another. Dad, don't be icy. Dad, isn't that gonna be going? Dad, 2 gallons, right? Dad, don't you say? Yeah. Bye.
Oh, we got a little bit more, right? In the pail? We got the pail already? Okay, almost. Almost.
That's a lot.
So 11 drinks, so then this, wait please. This will be, no, it'll be 11 as well, so we know we got it at the same time. All the 11s are at the same time.
That's the most we've got.